Namaskar. If you are struggling with damaged, dull, and lifeless hair, don't worry. There are many organic homemade solutions that can help you solve your hair problem. Today, let's look at three powerful organic hair oil that can help you with hair growth, volume, and radiance. First, we have a unique and powerful hair care combination, Fenugreek and black seed oil. This oil blend is a game changer for anyone struggling with hair fall, thinning, or even dullness. Let's understand why fenugreek is good for your hair. According to dermatologists, fenugreek seeds fights dandruff and scalp infection, rebuild damaged hair. It will definitely reduce hair loss and shedding, strengthens hair and adds shine. Then let's see what are the benefits of black seed oil. Black seed oil is often called the seed of blessings. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its benefits for hair includes it promotes new hair growth. Black seed oil nourishes and strengthens hair, reduces breakage and thinning with antimicrobial properties. Black seed oil helps treat scalp infection, reduce flakiness, and maintain healthy scalp environment. Black seed oil delays premature graying. Now let's see how you can make this unique fenugreek black seed oil. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 1/4 cup of cold pressed black seed oil. To make this oil, first soak fenugreek seeds overnight in water to soften them. Next, blend the seed into fine paste next morning. Then mix this paste with black seed oil. Now heat this mixture gently for 5 to 7 minutes on a low flame to infuse the oil with the fenugreek nutrients. Strain the mixture and store in a dark glass bottle. The second oil for thick hair is Sesame and Bhringraj Oil combination. This oil combination has been used since ages in ayurvedic hair care. This oil is very useful to boost the volume because sesame oil is rich in vitamin E. It also deeply nourishes the scalp, and Bhringraj is called the king of herbs. Bhringraj promotes hair regrowth and prevents premature graying. What makes it unique is that this oil blend doesn't just focus on growth, it revives dull, lifeless hair, giving it bounce and volume. This is how you can make this hair oil combination at home. First, heat half a cup of sesame oil on a low flame. Then add 2 tablespoons of Bhringraj powder or dried leaves and simmer for 10 minutes. Strain and store in dark bottle to preserve its potency. Massage this into your scalp and let it sit for an hour. Wash it off with mild shampoo and watch your hair come alive. The third hair oil is mustard and curry leaf oil. I call this hair oil as hair revitalizer. Mustard oil improves blood circulation to the scalp, while curry leaves are loaded with beta carotene and protein that encourages new hair growth. This oil works as a natural stimulant to wake up dormant follicles. To make this hair oil, first you should heat a 1/4 cup of mustard oil on a low flame. Then add a handful of fresh curry leaves and let them sizzle until the leaves turn dark green. Let it cool, strain, and then apply it directly on the scalp. For best result, use this oil in a winter months, as mustard oil has a warming effect. Let me also tell you about some unique application of all these 3 oils. First, we have inversion therapy. In this, after applying the oil, bend your head forward for 2 to 3 minutes, which would help improving blood flow to the scalp, enhancing the oil's effectiveness. Second, don't forget to gently wrap your hair with a warm towel after oiling your hair. It opens up your hair follicles, helping the oil penetrate deeper. So use these 3 hair oil to completely transform your thin, dull, and lifeless hair. These oils don't just grow your hair, they nurture the roots of hair and add life and bring back your hair's natural charm. Try them out and see which one works best for you. Namaskar.